Homeowners across Mesa are always looking for ways to make their homes feel brighter, more spacious, and more inviting, especially with the abundant sunshine Arizona is known for. One of the most effective ways to harness that natural light is by installing bay windows, a stylish and functional upgrade that has become increasingly popular in Mesa homes. These unique window structures extend outward from the home's exterior, creating a panoramic effect that brings in more daylight and enhances the overall living experience. A beautiful way to maximize Arizona sunshine. Mesa's sunny climate is a major perk of living in the valley, so it only makes sense to choose window designs that take full advantage of it. Bay windows feature a large central pane flanked by two angled windows that work together to pull in more sunlight from multiple directions. This expanded window surface area brightens interior spaces significantly, perfect for kitchens, living rooms, home offices, and breakfast nooks. With more natural light, rooms feel open and vibrant throughout the day. Homeowners often notice immediate improvements in their mood, energy levels, and even productivity just by increasing sunlight exposure. Mesa's sunny days do all the work. Bay windows simply unlock that light to flow more freely into the home. Creates the feeling of a larger, more open space. Bay windows don't just add brightness, they add visual depth. By projecting outward, they create additional interior space while also giving the illusion of a much larger room. This is especially beneficial for homes with smaller or more enclosed living areas. A well-placed bay window can transform a cozy space into a stunning focal point that feels airy and open. Many Mesa homeowners also take advantage of the extended sill created by bay windows. This extra surface can serve as a decorative display area, a reading bench, or even a small indoor garden space for succulents and houseplants. It's a practical upgrade that blends beauty with function. Improves curb appeal and home value. Bay windows offer an architectural elegance that immediately elevates a property's exterior appearance. Their outward projection adds dimension to the home's facade, making it stand out in a neighborhood of standard window designs. Whether the home features southwestern, contemporary, or traditional styling, bay windows can be customized to match and enhance the home's exterior look. Because of these aesthetic benefits, bay windows can also boost home value. Prospective buyers are often drawn to homes with abundant natural light and stylish architectural details. For Mesa homeowners planning to sell in the future, bay windows offer a smart return on investment. Energy-efficient options suited for Arizona's climate. With Arizona's high temperatures, energy efficiency is always a priority. Fortunately, modern bay windows are designed to help regulate indoor temperatures with features such as low-E glass coatings, double or triple pane insulation, UV blocking technology, tight ceiling frames that reduce air leakage. These upgrades help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures and reduce strain on air conditioning systems during Mesa's hottest months. By combining natural light with energy-efficient performance, bay windows deliver both beauty and practicality. Versatile designs to match any home style. Bay windows are highly customizable, making them an excellent fit for a wide range of home designs in Mesa. Homeowners can choose from different frame materials, colors, glass options, and shapes to ensure the window complements their interior decor and outdoor aesthetics. Whether you prefer a classic, cozy window nook or a sleek, modern design, bay windows can be tailored to your vision. A smart upgrade for a brighter, more inviting home. From expanding natural light to enhancing curb appeal, bay windows offer Mesa homeowners an upgrade that blends beauty, comfort, and everyday functionality. If you want to make your home feel more open, welcoming, and full of sunshine, bay windows are one of the most rewarding additions you can make.